Alright, just got to Chattanooga, Tennessee for a new trail that we've never been on. I guess it's the Tennessee River Park. We'll see how it goes. It goes along one of these rivers. Forgot which one. Mile one of I don't know how many. Stop for what? Alright, we're good. Let's continue. Train station or something. Home of the Lookouts. Probably a minor league baseball team. Chattanooga Lookouts. It's nice and open. It's hot today. No trees, like back home. Okay, so I looked. It's the Tennessee River. I don't know why I thought it was Chattanooga. It goes through Atlanta, but I don't know the South area. Not too many people out here today. Warm day. It's getting close to 3 o'clock. Probably the height of the heat. We shall continue. A couple miles in, not too much scenery. Got a fence, some bushes, a couple glimpses of the river, Tennessee River, but just seems like just a river walk. We will continue. What you doing, Coco? No squirrels, no animals, no nothing, huh? I'm sorry. We'll find somewhere. We'll get you some. Just passed our first 2 humans. Here come a couple more humans. Yeah. It's picking up. Still got the river to the left somewhere. Beautiful art installations. Some might say. Our first clear view of the Tennessee River with no obstructions. Excuse us. There's the Tennessee River. Some nice beachfront properties. Starting to cool off a little bit. Boats racing out there. Just missed it. Yeah, it's starting to really cool off now. Starting to see more people out here in Chattanooga. Gotta avoid them. Whoa. E-bike rebels. It's the reason why e-bikes aren't allowed no more, these kids. At least they got helmets. I don't have a helmet. Coco doesn't have a helmet. Festival going on here. I have to see what's going on. Look at this. Let's see. Oh, that's so cool. Shh, shut up. Perfect. If I can get my next toy, that would be it. They blocked us on the path down there. Right down there. Because of some event. Food trucks everywhere. We'll hit this on our way back. Can't go, dude. You can't go that way, bro. Alright, we'll go around. He made it through. I just gotta be more bold. They always seem to stop me and Coco whenever there's some shit going on and they say you can't go through. They stop us, but he gets to go through. That's some cheating shit. We shall continue. Fucking cheater. You're a fucking cheater. Got a free pass. Nice out here in Chattanooga. There's a waterfall stairs. What the hell? I made so many wrong turns. I can't keep track. This trail just goes wherever the hell it wants. There goes Coco. Oh good, she didn't bark. There's the river again. I think we're good.
I know.
I think we're good. Back on track. Yeah. Some humans. Or Tennessee River. No idea where this is taking us. I did no research too much. Besides that they had a trail. We'll see. Little bamboo forest. Lots of bamboo. Once you know where you're going, it's pretty chill. only an hour and a half from Atlanta. This wasn't too far. Pretty cool, huh? I did see a couple squirrels already. We almost got them. I think we're on mile 6. Mile 6. It's getting cooler and cooler out here. Yes, it is. That ain't the river. That's a bog. Swamp. I didn't know we went by swamps. Continue on in Chattanooga. I don't even know if this is an old rail trail. I don't know. Seems like it. Could be. That's what we do. That's what we do. Now it's starting to get into a bike trail. 6-7 miles in. Belongs to us. Ain't nobody out here. Oh, there she goes. Once you get out of the city of Chattanooga, it gets pretty cold. It has to be a rail trail. I don't know if this was the river we've been on, but it's something, huh, Coco? It's got to be an offshoot. And we continue on. We broke off the river into some path to some airport, but per the map it looks like it can go pretty far, so we're gonna follow. Got good battery. Let's see where it goes. Let's go. I just don't want no bears to come out here. I didn't bring no mace. It's in the hotel room. fuck. We get cornered right here, we're done. But I got Coco. That bear's ass. Man, this is crazy. Where the fuck are we? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh shit, another river. I don't know what that says up there. Ooh, slow down. Slow down. Oh no, no, no. Oh shit. Got a loud dog. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Sit down. Thank you, Coco. Wasn't too bad. Shit. Let's go. Shit. Which way? Oh shit. I have no idea. Where the hell are we? Guess we're going this way. All these boardwalks remind me of Gulf Shores, Alabama. They had a lot of wooden planks. These go for days. Can't believe this is an hour and a half away. I don't know what took us so long to come here. Still heading out. I think we're 10 miles out. I have no idea. I've lost track. But we haven't turned back yet. Coco, looking for squirrels? I know. I just thought we were following the river. Oh, there's something down there. It's not Tennessee River. Holy cow, this is crazy. It's going. Trains up there. Ooh, where the hell are we, Coco? Oh shit. Oh. Only one way. This trail is crazy. We got a long way to go on this trail. I just looked. It goes for a while. I don't know if we have enough battery to go to the end and back. I didn't give Chattanooga enough credit for the trails. Shit. This inlet right here with all these houses. It's pretty cool. Water fountains. But this thing goes for days. I'm not gonna turn around yet. Let's go. This is one of the craziest trails I've seen in a while. Holy shit. Another trestle. No idea what that is. Turn around one day. Still got some battery, guys. And one extra battery, so we're okay. Oh, that's a squirrel. There he is. Get him. You didn't even see him, Coco. Oh shit, my battery's dying. There's the baseball field. Yep, we came out here again the next day. Because my phone died, I didn't want to get lost. So we had to turn around. But on our way back, it was packed here. A lot of people watching a little game at the minor league park. We're out here early this morning on Sunday. More traffic, more people. But we're gonna go further this time. I'll start filming where I left off last night. See y'all in a bit. Turning back around. There's so many planks and boardwalks out here. It's crazy. So it looks like at mile 15 we're turning around. So I only have 2 batteries. Ah, Coco. And I don't want to go too far on 2 batteries. The third one's not fully charged. Save it for another day. But it's nice out here. Holy cow, it's nice. We're getting a little too deep into Tennessee in the backwoods. You know? Yep, we just turned around. 15 or so in. There's a squirrel. There he is. There he is, Coco. Get him. What are you doing? Oh, you know. You almost got him. Alright, we gotta go uphill now. Shit.